Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to ChriskaYoga. Today I will be sharing a quick Hatha Yoga seated stretch. This stretch is great for your hips, your legs, your glutes, the sides of your body, and it's pretty quick so it won't take up too much of your time. It's great to do before bedtime even. It's a really calming stretch, but it also will help you to feel more mobile and just will help you to feel great. So I hope you enjoy it. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for free weekly yoga videos every single week on here, and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out when I upload a new yoga class. So if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and let's get started. Begin sitting on the ground in easy pose. This is Sukhasana, also known as easy pose. Cross your shins, flex your feet under your knees. Sit up tall, bring your hands to your legs, close your eyes, and begin to deepen your breathing. Breathing in and out through the nose, come inward for a moment. Quiet the mind by focusing on the inhales and exhales. We'll remain here for a few deep breaths. If another thought comes into your mind at this time, once you notice the thought is there, gently set it to the side and bring the thoughts back to the breath. And slowly come to open your eyes. And from here, we're going to tilt to the left. So bring your left hand down, reach your right arm up and over. Keep both sits bones even on the ground. Reach the right arm up, stretching the right side of your body, looking up. Hold here. And slowly come up out of your side bend, and we'll do the same on the other side. Right hand down, left arm up and over. Keep the left sit bone on the ground, even with the right one. Looking up, stretching the left side of your body, and hold here. And slowly come up out of your side bend, and we'll take a forward fold. So sitting up tall on an inhale, on your exhale, walk the torso any amount forward that you can. Looking down, feeling a stretch in the glutes, the hamstrings, the low back. Hold here. Slowly come up out of your forward fold. And from here, we'll stretch the legs out to the side. Flex your feet, and your knees and toes should be facing the ceiling. Sitting up tall on the two sits bones, once again at the bottom of your pelvis. We'll take a forward fold. Walk your torso down, folding forward, feeling a stretch. You can fold forward any amount that you can. So even if it's just here, here, or all the way down, whatever you can do today is totally fine. As long as you're feeling a stretch in the inner thighs here. So just feel that stretch. Breathe here for a moment. And slowly come up out of your forward fold. We'll tilt to the side once again in this position. So left side first, left hand down on your leg, right arm up and over, looking up towards the ceiling, keeping both sits bones. So keep that right sits bone from coming up. Keep it down onto the ground. Looking up, feeling a stretch in the right side of your body, and hold here. And slowly come up and come to the other side. Right hand down, left arm up and over. Keep your left sits bone on the ground, looking up towards the ceiling. Hold here. And slowly come up out of your side bend once again. And from here, we'll come into a bound angle pose. Bring your feet together, knees out to the side, sitting up tall. Feel those sits bones planting firmly into the ground as you lift your spine up to sit up tall. On an inhale, lengthen the spine up further. On your exhale, come down to a forward fold. Holding onto your feet or your ankles, looking down. As I like to do in this stretch sometimes, if you're feeling like you want a deeper hip stretch, you can place your elbows on your knees, gently pressing them down towards the floor, looking down at the same time in your forward fold, and breathe here. And slowly come up out of your forward fold. And you can end your routine here with me, or you can add it on to any other yoga routine. Just a great seated stretch you can do if you feel like you want to stretch out your legs, your hips, your back, and the sides of your body. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up down below the video. I would really appreciate that. Also, leave me a comment, come down and say hi. I always love to hear from you. Even if I don't get to replying to everyone's comment, I always see them and I always love to hear from you. So definitely leave me a comment. Let me know any future videos you'd like to see from me on here. Also, as I mentioned before, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for free weekly yoga videos. It's free to subscribe and I would love to have you as a part of this community here on YouTube. And don't forget to also check me out on Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest and my website. It's all ChriskaYoga and my website is ChriskaYoga.com. Thank you so much again for watching and I will see you next time.